to fix laptop hanging or stocking problem. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the laptop hanging or slow issue on your laptop PC. So first thing what you can do is simply search in the command Windows and R on your keyboard, and from over here simply search in for %temp %. So what it will do is simply filter out all of your temporarily unnecessary files which are loading up your RAM and CPU usage. Simply click on continue or skip, and if you can delete, simply click on cancel, and it will delete all the files which are not in use. And again, simply once again search in Windows plus R and simply search in Windows plus R and simply search in for the prefix. Click on continue. If it asks for the administration requirements, simply hit the Control A button once again and just enter the delete button, and you can delete that as well. And after you do that, the last thing what you might want to do is simply head over to your task manager and find by simply clicking over here like this and clicking on the task manager. And once you are inside the task manager, just in the application which are taking huge RAM on your device, huge memory on your device, simply click on in task, and it should help you free up your memory usage, and which will speed up your PC. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.